So, I don't have much time. I'm actually just on my lunch break right now. But I really wanted to show you because I just received my multi-copter and from Banggood, and I'm really stoked. I don't have time to open it right now, unfortunately. But I'll catch you guys after I'm done work, and we'll have some fun. See ya. So I'm finally done work. Yeah! So yeah, let's unwrap this thing. All right, my drone from Banggood. Let's see if it's how it held up from China to Canada. Packaging is typical of Banggood style. Garbage bag wrapped in some foam. More props.
There's no tracking number as a different order, right?
Oh, okay, no, it is in here. Haha. Cool. It's all packaged very neatly in this small box. I did not realize they could package it so small. Well then, look at that. Oh. We got the transmitter. Huh. Very nice, very nice. Little, not like the smoothest throttle. Spring feels a little gritty, but the gimbals feel really smooth. Sweet. And wow, there's this little guy. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. So that's it. Wow. Cute little thing. That guy. Oh, we got the cheap charger that comes with it. It apparently isn't that great for charging batteries. It's gonna rip through the sky like crazy. Battery. One battery. Even that, like just the battery, I don't know. It seems so much bigger. Like when you see the videos and stuff on YouTube or whatnot, it seemed bigger. Another 40C. Oh yeah, these things are gonna rock. Oh, this one's more of that full size pack. 25C. This is the same rating as this guy, but as you can see, it's
40C.
Yeah, no, this one's a 25C, and this one's a 25C. The other one, I bought two 40Cs because they're a higher C rating, which will give me that little extra boost when I want it. I'll be able to draw more current. So the lower C rating would be more, I'm thinking, will be great for when I'm learning. This one's interesting. I kind of like how it's a little bit smaller, you know, width-wise.
0.05.
Well, it's just not nice out, and it is small, but it's not small enough to fly in here safely. Like I'm too much of a noob to fly this thing in here safely in my mind. I wasn't gonna fly it inside, but I decided to do it. It's bad weather outside, so I'm just doing really. I turned down all my RC rates and everything, and just too excited to fly. So I'm just working on some little hovers. So here, let's check it out. normally you always want to plug this guy in, this little antenna. Wow, again, size. I don't know what it is about YouTube, but size is so different. It looks so much smaller. But anyways, this is a little antenna that's going to go on here, and what I don't want to ever plug in the battery without this attached, because it'll blow out the circuitry inside of this little thing, because basically this is an antenna, and when you plug in your battery, you're sending a lot of power to that antenna, right? And if you don't have anything attached, it'll overheat, basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to most likely take it off. I might not have to worry about that. We got our little rubbers, some tie wraps. These are going to go on the bottom somewhere here. Alright. Oh. What I got? Oh. More hardware. Nice. I wasn't even sure if this actually came with hardware, but it actually does come with a bit of spare hardware, which is always good. Just got up, so I'm a little sleepy, but I got my coffee coming along, and once I get that into me, I'm going to go outside and fly my drone for the first time. It's sunny outside for the first time since I got my drone, so I'll actually be able to fly outside. It's going to be awesome. You guys are going to come along for the ride. Yesterday I just flew a little bit inside. Not really supposed to do that, but decided to go for it anyway because I couldn't fly outside. It was snowy and shitty out. So I just flew in a hover in my room, which was surprisingly fun. Just practiced the hover, didn't really move very much, you know. Kinda, you know. Anyways, yeah, so I got a coffee coming. It's gonna wake me up. And then we'll be good to go. Have some fun. See you guys later.